Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition, set the parking brake, pull the hood release handle, and open the hood. This will allow you to access the headlight bulbs. To increase the lifespan of the bulbs, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or clean them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To change the 8011 low beam bulb, remove the power connector by prising the tab off with a flathead screwdriver. Rotate the bulb a quarter turn counterclockwise, then pull it out with small back and forth movements.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Put the new bulb in its housing and rotate it quarter turn clockwise to lock it in place. Plug the electrical connector back in. To access the H7 high beam bulbs, you first need to remove the air intake duct. Loosen the tuck retaining screw with a 10mm wrench. Then, remove the two retaining rivets from the duct. To do this, remove the rivet by levering off the central part with a flathead screwdriver. Then, remove the second part of the rivet. Pinch the two tabs on the duct, then remove it. Unscrew the protective plastic cover counterclockwise. To remove the bulb, push and rotate the clip to the left. Then remove the bulb. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb into the plastic base. Then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Then remount the metal clip. Screw the plastic cover back on. To replace the bulbs on your signalling lights, take the bulb board and make a turn counterclockwise. The whole thing should come out easily. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Do the same thing in reverse for reassembly. Put the air intake duct back in. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.